The truth is, most adults don't struggle with grammar or vocabulary. They struggle with confidence, especially when talking to native English speakers. So, today I'm going to give you the real secrets, practical, simple, and life changing, so you can sound natural, calm, and confident when speaking English. Well, hello, students. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Jay. If you're an adult between 25 and 55 and you want to speak English with more confidence in real life conversations, then today's lesson is for you. Now, before we start, tell me in the comments what kind of conversation makes you nervous. Work conversations, maybe phone calls, ordering food, meeting new people. I really want to know. Let me know down in the comments section. Now, the first secret is very, very simple. Are you ready? Slow down. Most adult English learners think speaking fast means speaking well, but speaking fast creates more mistakes. It causes more stress, more pressure, and unfortunately, more embarrassment. Native English speakers actually prefer when you speak slowly, clearly, and with purpose and intention. Confidence isn't speed, okay? Remember that confidence is about discipline and control. Try this. I want you to say, "Hello, how are you today?" And speak it slowly versus, "Hey, how you doing today?" when you speak quickly. Slow feels and sounds confident. Fast feels nervous and a little panicky. So remember, you don't need to rush. Take your time, speak slowly. Okay? Repeat after me. I don't need to rush. All right? Take your time. Speak with confidence and clarity. The second secret to confident English is using simple phrases. That's so easy to do. Simple phrases. Here are some quick examples. Let me think for a moment. That's something you might say. Let me think on that is actually how I say it sometimes. Instead of yes or no, let me think on it. This gives you time and sounds calm, like you're in control. Could you repeat that for me is another one. I often say that when I argue. Wait a minute. Can you please repeat that for me? I want to make sure I heard you correctly. Native English speakers say that all the time, and it's nothing wrong with using it, okay? Another one, here's what I mean. So sometimes you may not be able to say it the way you think it, so you can use the phrase, here's what I mean, okay? This makes you sound organized and sure of what you're trying to communicate. So repeat after me. Could you repeat that, please? Here's what I mean. These are simple phrases that make you sound confident, even on days when your English sounds and feels a little weak, okay? Let me share a quick story with you to further help you comprehend. Imagine a man named Lewis, and he moved to the U.S. at age 43. His English was good, but every time he tried to order coffee, he felt nervous. His voice got quiet, he rushed, and sometimes the waiter couldn't understand him. One day I told him, Lewis, slow down. You're not in a race, okay? The next day, he walked up to the counter, took a deep breath, and said slowly, "Good morning. May I have a medium coffee, please?" The helper understood everything. Lewis smiled, and his confidence grew. That one small win changed his whole day and how he felt about speaking English more confidently. So remember, confidence comes from what I call small victories, not the big ones, not being able to talk fast. It's the small victories that you have. Every clear sentence you speak is a victory, no matter how you sound. Tell me in the comments before I finish today, what small English victory did you have this week? It could have been something you learned from my channel or a conversation that you had with someone else. But let me know down in the comments, when did you have a small victory? Another powerful secret is learning to use conversational bridges, okay? A conversation bridge. So a bridge helps you, how can I say it, continue a conversation even when you feel nervous or unsure. That's interesting. Tell me more, you might say. Sometimes when I'm listening to someone and I really don't know what to say or how to respond, it's easy just to say, that sounds interesting. Can you tell me a little bit more about that? And while they're talking, you're listening and thinking, okay? Tell me more. That sounds interesting. Again, that makes you sound very confident. Another bridge is, I agree with you because. So now you are communicating and letting the person know that you comprehend what they're saying. Either you say, I agree with you, or I disagree with you because. And it shows power, leadership, and clarity when you're talking to someone. Another bridge that you can use is, from my experience, and then you explain your experience, which makes you sound thoughtful, makes you sound like you're listening, makes you sound strong or mature. So say that with me. Tell me more. Try this one. I agree with you because. And finally, from my experience. All of these are bridges that you should practice, because your brain learns better when you speak out loud, not silently. And that's why I do so many read and repeat lessons here on the channel. Another secret most teachers don't tell you about, as I conclude, is that your body language matters more, in my opinion, than your grammar, okay? Your body language is very, very important. Confidence comes from your posture, your eye contact, calm breathing, relaxed shoulders. That's why I try to enjoy life. And when you watch my lessons, you see me laughing and smiling. That's a part of confidence, okay? So all of that matters. A steady pace and a friendly tone all make you sound confident. So remember, you can make grammar mistakes, but still sound confident. I do it all the time when I'm practicing Spanish with people that speak confidently when they speak fluent Spanish. I do it all the time. I love saying, "Como se dice?" which means, what do you mean? Or how do you say? That's what it means. How do you say refrigerator. So I do it all the time. So repeat after me. I don't need perfect grammar to speak confidently. Remember, speaking clearly is what people understand. The way you deliver your words often matters more than the words themselves. I mean, I could say, "You're cute." Or I can just say, "You, I think, are cute." Which one sounds more confident? Okay? One more confidence secret is preparing what I call go-to sentences. Okay? A go-to sentence. These are phrases that you memorize and you use anytime you feel stuck. So at work, you can say, "I'll take care of that." All right. When someone says something to you that you understand, just tell them, "I'll take care of that." Or, "Let's figure this out together." So you're letting someone know, you're letting them know that, look, let's work together to figure this out. All right. Another one that I suggest you use is, "I appreciate your time." Okay, so a lot of you use that one here on the channel in the comments section. "I appreciate your time, Jay." And that makes you sound so confident. Okay, so these are some ways and some secrets that you can use. Another one that you can use on a go-to basis is in a situation, "Hey, my name is Jay. Nice to meet you. I'm still learning English, but I can communicate." Okay? That's when I try to tell people to use, because again, when I'm practicing speaking Spanish, I let people know I'm okay. I'm still learning. And so people have a little mercy. They're willing to work with you just a little bit more when you're just being upfront with them that, "Hey, I can speak a little bit. I understand a little bit. I'm still learning." So that's one of my go-tos when I'm trying to speak Spanish. Okay. So having these ready makes adult conversations feel easier, smoother, and of course, more natural. So tell me in the comments, which go-to sentence do you want me to help you create? Do you have one that you need help forming or creating? Just let me know down in the comments section. So remember, confidence in English, it's not an overnight thing. It's not magic. It takes time. It's made of small skills that you accumulate over time and you do them consistently. Speaking slowly, using simple phrases, building small victories, using conversation bridges, showing calm body language, and having a few go-to sentences ready when you need them, all will build your confidence. I want you to remember that confidence comes from small skills that I'm teaching you that you do consistently. Okay? The small victories, that's what really matters. If today's lesson has helped you, make sure you drop me a comment saying, "I'm building my English in confidence." Thank you so much for watching today's quick English lesson. I hope it has been a help and a strength to you. If it has, all I ask is that you share it with a friend. That's all I ask. Share these secrets with a friend so they can get better as well. Well, that's going to do it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, I hope you join me on my next English lesson. I'll see you then.